Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to improve camera quality on iPhone. So guys, if you are using any iOS device and facing the problem that your camera is blurry, so guys, you can easily improve your camera quality. So guys, I'll help you how to do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, when I am going to open my camera, then guys, there is blurry a problem on this camera. So guys, you can easily fix this. First of all guys, you need to go back. So guys, first of all, you have to clean your camera with any tissue paper, and guys, after doing this, you have to check your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still having this problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings here and scroll it down. So guys, from here you need to find camera. So guys, as you can see here is the option of camera. You have to open this, and guys, first of all, now you can see here is the option of record video. So guys, you have to make it 4K at 60 frame per second. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back, and guys, secondly, you have to record your slow-mo and make sure that you have selected highest quality. And guys, after this, now you will see here is the option of formats. You have to click on this, and guys, now you can see here is the option of high efficiency. If you have clicked on most compatible, you have to click on high efficiency, and you need to go back, and guys, you have to scroll it below for more. And guys, here is the option, these two options, that is smart HDR and keep normal photo. You have to turn on all of these. And guys, after this, your camera quality will be improved on your iPhone, and guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.